Hello and welcome to the class study. Today we'll be discussing notes, why and how for UPSC Civil Services Examination. Let's start with why. Notes helps us to revise maximum in minimum time. It consolidates everything at one place. Exam oriented covers the syllabus and note making also helps us to develop answer writing skills. Now, what are the requirements for notes making? First, syllabus. You can get it from the UPSC website. Second, previous year question papers, at least of 5 years. Third, book list. It's very important. You cannot start preparing your notes without book list. And last, A4 sheet paper. You can have it either loose or spiral bound. I'll suggest to go with spiral bound. It helps to organize everything neatly. Now, how to make notes? First of all, understand the concept. To understand the concept, start with reading. I'll suggest to read at least 3 times. First reading, just understand the concept. Second reading, underline with pen or pencil. And while third reading, highlight the important keywords. I'll suggest to start making notes after second or third reading. What happens if you start making notes without reading? You end up writing the whole book again in your own handwriting. So it's better to read it first, understand what the topic is, and then start making notes. So I'll suggest to start making notes after second or third reading. The second point is keep it consolidated. Just don't make it bulky. Don't end up writing the whole passages. Be to the point, be precise. Make it chapter wise. The third point is keywords. You can include keywords in your notes. Keywords like wetland conservation, disinvestment, urban floods, etc. You can include these keywords while making notes. It will help during mains. The next point is data. You can include data mainly for the 4 sectors: health, education, economy, and women. You have to focus on these 4 sectors mainly. In mains, you can include the data in the introduction and mention source along with the findings. You can quote the data from the organizations like RBI, UN, ILO, World Bank, IMF, Economic Survey, Ministry of Finance, etc. So these are the 4 major points. Understand the concept, keep it consolidated, use keywords and data while making notes. Just keep in mind, note making is not a ritual. Don't make notes for the sake of making notes. Make it so it can be useful in your examination. I hope you'd find this video useful. We'll meet next time soon.